This rug pull is powerful, but still so simple that I can explain it to you in under a minute. To pull it off, you need two things: some fresh trending news or a meme, and a crypto bundler like DogWifTool. Here's how it works with a real-life example. Binance's official Twitter account posted a photo of their dog. Within minutes, a rug puller created a meme coin based on that photo and bought 75% of the coin supply, paying 70 sols in one purchase. Because of this large buy, the coin got a king of the hill spot and free advertising on the main page. Random, unsuspected. Traders saw the coin associated with trending news and an almost completed bonding curve driven by greed. They bought the coin without checking for obvious red flags. As a result, shortly after its creation, the coin was almost sent to radium, but instead it was dumped, earning its creator 7.6 sol or $1,000 in just 1 minute. Before we dive into the bundler setup and launch, let me introduce you to the ultimate marketplace for finding the best tools for rug pulls and token launches. Visit memrugs.com to explore a wide range of powerful tools, including DogWifTool, MemTools, VolumeBots, Solana Infinity scripts, and much more. All tools come with a lifetime license, are incredibly affordable, and designed to be highly effective for your projects. So let's launch a token using DogWifTool. In that one wallet, that brand new wallet, you're going to be funding, let's say, 12 sol, and that's what we're going to be using as the dev wallet. Actually, the wallet is going to be creating these coins and selling. So I already got that ready in my tool. As you can see, if I click check balance, we can see that we have dWallet as 1.4 sol in it. Now we go into settings, bundler, and here we can set out Devi. I'm going to set it to 1.3 sol, just for kind of leaving there some space for the fees and everything. Now go into the bundler, and I'm going to be cloning a token, meaning that I put the CA of a coin that has already been done, and I just hit save. That is pretty much it. All I need to do. We're also going to be launching with experimental mode and Gito as the sending mode. Difference between safe and experimental launching modes, or just that safe mode, gets our wallets, bundler wallets, gets them in the same block as the dev wallet, while experimental doesn't. It's up to you what you want to use. In my case, I'll just be using experimental. Here we'll put the 0 delay, meaning that if we had any wallets, they would buy instantly. We hit save, and now all we need to do is just hit start. I click start button, I put 100% as the selling, and that is pretty much it. So this is what happened. We launched Peach's coin, and what happened here was, as you can see, we bought for 1.3 sol. The snipers got in and we sold for 2.1, meaning that we made 0.8 sol profit launching a coin that already exists and just dumping on the snipers. If you do this a few times a day, you can easily make some bank. Some nice things that you can basically make free money off of this. So yeah, one final thing. If you need any rug pulling tools, visit memrugs.com. This is the best marketplace for all meme rug pull tools, volume bots, and bundlers to make successful rug pull in meme coins. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Let me know which tool you'd like me to cover in the next video. I'd love to hear your suggestions.